At CES 2019 in Las Vegas, Hyundai debuted Elevate, an ultimate mobility vehicle, or UMV. The vehicle promises to, quote, move beyond the limitation of the rolling chassis. And it's gonna do it by transforming into a giant walking robot. It turns minutes. The vehicle concept was developed by design firm Sundberg-Ferar for Hyundai CRADLE, the car maker's innovation division. The initial pitch is that the UMV could help communities prepare for natural disasters. I mean, I see that we're going the whole other way with the whole impacts of climate change. Just like, you know what? We're not gonna stop it. But what if we make a car that can climb over the wreckage when there's no more roads? It can step over 5-foot wide holes and over 5-foot tall vertical walls. Or it can even drive with a 15-foot wide track. You know, like in case you need to drive over a sinkhole or small scale crater. Right now, the concept has 2 walking modes, reptilian and mammalian. And after the concept art, all I can say is that, well, the mode names are accurate. The first 72 hours following a natural disaster are the most crucial when it comes to saving lives. But most emergency transportation vehicles can't navigate the terrain. Much of it includes retrofit army vehicles or souped-up ATVs. Elevate borrows tech from EVs and robots, and it can be used in more than natural disasters. I mean, it wasn't natural, but after an apartment exploded in Russia, we all saw the baby rescued from the rubble. Instead of the large extension from an EMS vehicle, the Elevate could have climbed the rubble. I mean, tell me you didn't cry when that baby came out. Unless you're dead inside. The robotic legs have 5 degrees of freedom and wheel hub propulsion motors that make it capable of the bio-inspired gates while keeping the body and passengers level. When it's in drive mode, the legs actually fold into the vehicle and the power is cut from the joints. The concept has been under development for nearly 3 years, and other applications include taxis that truly meet you at your door. And, my favorite and seasonally appropriate, climbing out of the snow. I mean, a couple of things about this one. Hyundai is obviously insinuating that while it will be able to traverse all terrains, the Elevate will still struggle on the ice. And after it goes off the road, it's going to crawl out, like your drunk friend trying to bail out of a snowbank. And they say everything at CES is junk. I'm David Manty. This is IEN Now.